And once again mga kaibigan, we are here. That's to congratulate also mga kaibigan to my kababayan in Mahayag, Quezon, Bukidnon, in which I send and the Barangay Mahayag and congratulations to the elected barangay officials which is in Barangay Captain in the name of Judy Bulalok. Kap, good morning, maayong buntag. So, Jody Bulalok before, when I was in the remote areas and the part of Barangay Mahayag and the part of the Quezon Bukidnon in the province of Bukidnon in the municipality of Quezon, that I was on that sacrifice during my day of the tour of my sacrificing in order for me to reach my dreams as to become a professional someday. So that's why I my whole my life I'm just walking on that remote areas going to Quezon National High School during the first. I am a pioneer of that establishing a newly establishing Quezon National High School at Mibando, Quezon, Bukidnon. During that day, when I was from the mountain, I am walk up on that kinds of in that remote areas. It's very very far through our Quezon National. That time mga kaibigan that I woke up in the early in the morning during that day mga kaibigan that I am to sacrifice because I am a self-supporting students in my life mga kaibigan, from the high school, from the elementary going to the college. So that's why Jody Bulalok, no, magkakasabay ho kami mga kaibigan during ng ako po'y uuwi na or papunta pa sa school. Just I am walking for almost 16 kilometers twice a day. So that is my sacrifice. So I am just talking here for those people. I am very congratulate for you, no, to nurturing every one of us, especially the people of Mahayag, no, mga kaibigan, that they are graduates, one of my nephew, no, I am watching on that the post of Barangay Mahayag, Quezon, Bukidnon, that I am sharing in my Facebook page, in my Facebook account mga kaibigan, that they are in Barangay Mahayag. They have two magna cum laude and also cum laude. I think tatlo, apat sila or limang cum laude at kasabay na doon yung mga leadership awardee na mga tao ho, no, which is the younger generations. So thank you so much for the wisdom. Just that is a creations of the Holy Mighty Father who art in heaven. Just made it, just given to you as a steward of that kinds of wisdom in order for you to understand the life of this universe mga kaibigan. Just help in our country, just help our country, just help Mahayag, Quezon, Bukidnon to maintain a good image mga kaibigan. Even though before, mga kaibigan, I am totally accepted on that my father is so drunkard, no? And also my relatives out there is so drunkard itself mga kaibigan. No, my papa mahubog is magsinggit man yun, but I truly love my father. Because without him, without their sacrifice for almost how many long years, because in our family we have an 11, no? There is 11 children that I am eldest among all. So mga kaibigan, too much for that I am very congratulated, especially my nephew Karen. Karen is one of those graduate in Don Carlos, Bukidnon. So I am here because the only one thing for necessary in this universe is only for the strong character in order for us to understand life. Mga kaibigan, so congratulations Kap. No, it is the proud, I am so very proud that Mahayag, Quezon, Bukidnon, na dyan ho ako lumaki, dyan ko po nakuha yung achievement in their life mga kaibigan. No, mula pa kay Jennifer Puresima and many others, the one who sacrificed on it mga kaibigan, because I am so belong to the very very poor family in the Cañetan family, mga kaibigan. I don't think so na kami po ay may lupa ho ang papa ko, pero there is no capital at all. So mga kaibigan, so I was born in this Davao del Norte before, and now Davao de Oro na in Monte Vista. But lumipat po kami nung from Monte Vista, Davao del Norte, to Bukidnon, in which in the Mahayag, Quezon, Bukidnon, that time, year 2000. So, dyan ko po nakuha lahat, no, mga kaibigan. I'm very so proud, Barangay Mahayag. Judy Bulalok is one of our barangay captain na nasasalamuha ho natin, nasasabay ho natin. Binibigyan pa niya ako ng baon noon, mga kaibigan. Ang kanyang panganay na anak, it is my classmate. And also the wife of the nephew of may bilas, no, may bana sa ako ang bayaw po. So it's the time, no, mga kaibigan. So that's why the sacrifices at all, mga kaibigan. And the one who worked in the government that time, no, and also kang Yaya Irenia, si Arnel ay working in the government also in the forces in the Philippine Army. And also, Jerry, yung una at si Jojo, no, mga kaibigan, na pangatlo ho ako. So, I'm very proud, Barangay Mahayag, the newly graduate now, that you are credited to the civil service qualifications, the cum laude and the magna cum laude of Barangay Mahayag. And I am so very, very proud that yan lang po ang ipagmamalaki natin sa buhay ho natin, no? Mga kaibigan, ito lang po ang ipagbilin ko sa inyo. Wisdom is the most very important thing from moving one place to another place. Moving forward in their life to be progressive. At ito lang po ang tandaan natin. Discipline and the lifestyle must be maintained. Kung ano po yung nakakasanayan natin, o ano po yung na tama para sa paningin natin, just implement it, mga kaibigan. Even though, mga kaibigan, I am just done many sacrifices in my life. So that's why nagpapaaral ako ng mga kapatid ko na hindi po tumama sa kanila, and then subit, no? Just ignore and leave it para sa kanila na ho yun. At least tumulong ho tayo that we are sacrificing on it. So, yan lang ho, mga kaibigan. I'm so very, very proud. Just maintain the good wisdom, because education without Bible, without God is useless. Just do it by God. Just do it yourselves. Just do it in the good way of how to achieving life prolong, picturing for us. Just maintain of it. I am just working in the government for almost 10 years. That you know it. If you want to become on that particular, and then just do it first in ourselves. No? Ako po hindi matalino, no, mga kaibigan. I'm just very accept. I am so 75. Just taking for the board exam. I'm 75, mga kaibigan. I am a working student. I am a young leadership awardee. I am so belong in the SEC Supreme Student Council. The president itself, mga kaibigan. I am so very, very proud from my elementary mentor school, Quezon National High School Mentor School, and also my college, my working student, my big boss, who nurtured me in my character, in my discipline, in the lifestyle, on how to be, to move forward, to look into the good law-abiding citizens of this country. IBE College of Mindanao, my proud mentor in this life to achieving all that I have now, mga kaibigan. So that's why Banag-Banag Elementary School, from my home, my father, my mother nurturing us, no, towards the elementary, Banag-Banag Elementary School, Quezon National High School, and also IBE College of Mindanao.